This video will show you in detail how to easily and properly install your Boomerang Rigid tire cover on your Jeep JL Wrangler. Before you attempt to install any Boomerang tire cover, you will need to first remove what Jeep refers to as the beauty cover. The beauty cover functions solely as a trim piece that is attached to the backup camera stock located in the center of the spare tire. It does not affect the function of your backup camera in any way, so don't worry about removing it. The molded rubber camera boot integrated into the tire cover will replace this part and allow the tire cover to align properly with the camera stock. Removing the beauty cover is simple. You will first need to locate the Jeep toolkit that should be stowed in your glove compartment and remove the T40 Torx head bit. You will only need the bit, not the ratchet wrench handle. Insert the T40 Torx bit into the socket on the face of the beauty cover and gently turn the bit a quarter turn counterclockwise until the arrow moves from the lock position to the unlock position. You can now easily pull the beauty cover towards you and it will slide right off of the camera stock. Now you can return the bit to the toolkit. Even though you will not be reusing the beauty cover, we still recommend you stow it somewhere safe, such as in your glove compartment with the toolkit. Next, be sure to check to see if you have locking wheel lugs on your wheels and that the locking lug on your spare is located on either of the top two lugs. If it is left on the lower lug, it is possible it will not allow your tire cover to seat properly over the spare tire, which could affect the backup camera viewable area. If you find it is installed on the lower lug, just move it to one of the top two lugs before continuing. Now it's time to install the Boomerang Rigid tire cover. Locate the bottom of the tire cover and make sure it is oriented properly. You can easily locate the bottom of the tire cover where the split in the tread band is. If you are installing the optional lock kit, you must first feed the cable lock through the wheel and then through the loops on the end of the straps located on the backside of your tire cover and lock the two ends together. Your rigid tire cover is now securely locked to the spare tire and the lock will be completely hidden and out of the way after the rigid tire cover is installed. Next, locate the rubber camera boot on the back side of your rigid tire cover and align it with the camera stock. Firmly press the molded face against the spare tire. Ensure that the camera boot is fitting snug and is properly aligned to the face of the camera stock. It should look something like this. After you verify that the tire cover face and camera boot are seated properly, you can begin wrapping the tread band around the tread of your spare tire. Start at the top and work your way around the tire. While you are doing this, ensure that your tire cover is going on straight. When you get to the bottom, you will find it much easier to pull the tread band around the bottom of the spare tire with the rear door open. When you work the tread band around the top, you may also find it necessary to push the third brake light bracket back towards the rear door a bit to ensure that you get the fabric around the back side of the spare tire. After the tread band is completely wrapped around the spare tire, it may be necessary to go around the perimeter one more time to eliminate any remaining loose spots by pulling the fabric tight towards the back of the spare tire. Your cover is now installed and should look great on the back of your JL Wrangler. Before driving, it is important to test your backup camera to ensure it is functioning properly and that the tire cover is not interfering with its view. If installed properly, your backup camera view should not be obstructed. It is possible you may notice a slight border around your camera, but nothing that should affect the critical view of your backup camera. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy your Boomerang Rigid JL tire cover.